as we are about to begin today's festivities. Thank you very much.
We made it 100 store milestone. This is really a very momentous occasion for all of us at Wilcon, and I'm beyond grateful. And as we gather here, to launch our 100th store in Pampanga, I can't reflect but remember the incredible journey, all the hardships, I would say all the happy moments, the challenges that we faced. Despite that, we continue to expand, we continue to open stores, and we continue to reach this milestone of reaching 100 stores. Every time we open a new store, it's always the best version of us. It's always the best version of Wilcon. And I'm beyond grateful also for the support of not only our customers. Our 100th store is right here in Lubao, Pampanga. We are better now in terms of the look, in terms of the service, and in terms of our mission and vision of providing every Filipino a comfortable and sustainable way of living. We made it! Let's continue to do it with Wilcon! And mabuhay tayong lahat!
Nandito na tayo, naging 100 na dati it was just a dream. So we've reached this incredible milestone and we're very privileged that it's here in Pampanga. We've had so many stores already open here and we really truly believe in the province. We hope that, we generate more jobs, better economic landscape here in Pampanga, in the province of Pampanga. After 100, tinanong nga kay Ma'am Rose, after 100, what do we do? Well, ang tanong 101, 102, 200. Ano muna, slowly we'll get there. Maybe we'll get to 200. Let's see how it goes. I know Team Wilcon is ready. Ready kaming lahat. Our partners ready lahat. We hope we can continue to expand and really cover the market and serve our customers. Thank you very much.